Hi, in this video, we'll learn how to convert from decimal to binary. As a review, each digit in a binary number has a value based on its place. These values are based on the powers of 2. So you've probably been waiting on the edge of your seat for the answer to this question. How can we convert decimal numbers to binary numbers? Let's look at an example. What is the value of 46 in binary? Let's go through this process step by step. Step number 1. Find the largest place value that will go into the decimal number. In our example of 46, 32 is the largest place value that will go into 46, because 64 is too big, so we'll place a 1 in that position. Because we have a 1 in the 32 place, our binary number has a decimal value of 32. Step number 2, look at the place value to the right, and then ask, if you add this value, will it exceed the decimal value? If not, add a 1. If yes, add a 0. So in our example, the 16th place is the place value to the right. If we add 16 to 32, we get 48. This exceeds our decimal value of 46, so we'll add a 0 for the 16th place. Step number 3. Repeat the process until we reach the decimal value. We're at the 8th place now. If we add 8 to 32, we get 40. This does not exceed 46, so we place a 1 in the 8th place. Our binary number now has a value of 40. Let's keep going. We look at the next place, which is the 4th place. If we add a 4 to 40, we get 44. This is not greater than 46, so we add a 1 to the 4th place. We're still not at 46, so we repeat again. We look at the 2's place. We add a 2 to 44 to get 46. This does not exceed our decimal value, so we add a 1 to the 4th place. And what do you know? We've gotten to our target decimal value of 46. The last step is to add zeros to all of the remaining places. Now we know the binary value of 46, which is 00101110. Now that you know how to convert between decimal and binary, it's your turn to explore these relationships further.